Hi, I'm Eddie Oberoi.
And I'm Alia Modi.
You know, 3 words in real estate: location, location, and location. And I think this property has it all. What do you think, Alia?
Absolutely, Eddie. You're close to Rivermark here. You're close to Levi Stadium. It's great from a commuting aspect. This home has it all.
Not to mention right next to the airport. Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 4518 St. Palais Place in Santa Clara, a spectacular townhome in Mission Garden, a gated community in the heart of Silicon Valley. This beautiful, hard-to-come-by 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath floor plan with bathrooms on each level features a smart home with a Ring doorbell and Nest thermostat. An ideal northeast-facing direction for Feng Shui and Vaastu provides a private front patio unlike many others. Upon entry, you're greeted with soaring ceilings and windows, revealing a bright and spacious canvas. Stylish upgrades include wood flooring, stainless steel appliances with granite countertops, recessed lighting, and ceiling fans. You will appreciate the master bedroom with a large walk-in closet. The finished 2-car garage comes complete with additional storage. In a central, secure location with community pool, hot tub, and the kids' play area. The home is walking distance to top-rated award-winning Don Callejon K-8 schools, 4 beautiful parks, Rivermark Shopping Plaza, and the Northside Library. With easy access to Levi Stadium, Great America, Top Golf, and all major highways, public transportation, and high-tech companies. You really don't want to miss this one.
Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
And if you have any questions, reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you soon.